One of the ways to introduce the idea of sound is to ask students to feel their vocal cords as they speak or as they hum. So if you go, da, la, you can feel the vibrations in your neck as you hum or speak, indicating then that in order for your voice to carry, vibrations are essential. Another way is to take some bobby pins and just ask students to take a bobby pin and stretch it out, and then place that on the edge of their table and just vibrate it. Or you can use a box such as this. If you hold the bobby pin tightly against the edge and then vibrate it, you can hear a different pitch as the length of the bobby pin is changed. Another way is to take an elastic and just stretch that over a cup and just pluck the elastic. We tighten it up a little bit. A little bit more. Try to hold or keep the length roughly the same. And if I change the length by squeezing the edge, we also change the pitch.